Hi everyone, Ed Bates here from Kilworth Chiropractic Clinic. So if I told you that there was something that you could do that would increase your brain power, improve your immune system, build muscle, lose fat and live longer, would you be interested? Well, if you are, then this month I'm going to discuss this magic something that is quite frankly a non-negotiable biological essential to your health. It's also something that we should be spending a third of our lives doing. What am I talking about? Well, sleep. So over the next 4 videos, I'll be discussing all about sleep and giving you several simple tips that you can do to help improve both the quality and quantity of your sleep. Now, even though sleep deprivation apparently affects over 40% of the population, it's only very recently the scientists have begun to really understand why sleep is so important and why deliberate sleep deprivation has been used for centuries as both a form of torture and a means of interrogation. In fact, it's stated that you will die from sleep deprivation long before you die from starvation. So what actually happens when you sleep and why is it so important? Well, as I mentioned at the beginning, some of the notable benefits of sleep include increased immune function, improved energy, better mood and better mental health, increased memory, reduced inflammation and weight control. But probably the most important reason is that whilst you sleep, your body's able to get rid of waste products that have built up during the course of the day from not just your body, but more importantly, your brain. And your brain, as you well know, is the most important organ in the body. And although it only accounts for, about 2% of your body mass, it actually uses up about a quarter or 25% of your entire body's energy supply. Now, when you realize that any chemical reaction that occurs in the body results in the production of waste material, your brain obviously produces a lot of waste products, which if they're not removed, can cause a lot of health issues and health problems. So when you sleep, it's now believed that your body uses CSF fluid, which surrounds the brain, to clear out all these toxins. And this clear out can occur only when you're asleep. It's a bit like doing the housework over the course of the weekend when you're not quite as busy. You just don't have time during the week with work and everything else. So if you're sleep deprived, then this housework does not get done as well. And that is why a lack of sleep is associated with so many physical and mental conditions. Now, another benefit of sleep, which is also very interesting, is that it helps with proper weight control. And it does this by apparently affecting the production of a couple of hormones. When a person gets sufficient sleep, the levels of leptin, which is an appetite suppressant, normally rise. And this helps to subdue the need to eat by basically reassuring your brain that energy reserves are adequate for the time. However, sleep deprivation causes not only a reduction in leptin production, but also a corresponding increase in the so-called hunger hormone ghrelin. In other words, a lack of sleep causes you both to get hungry, and as a result, you start to eat, even though there's no real need to. So that was a quick outline on why sleep is a biological necessity. Now, in our next video, I will discuss why so many people struggle with sleep. So I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.